Jason with Investing Logically. Hope you guys are wonderful day today. In this video we're talking about how to make money by swing trading stocks. This only applies to short-term stocks, so it does not apply to long-term stocks such as Tesla and NEO. So those are just examples. So the basis of the strategy is to pick good short-term stocks and utilizing the stop loss option. Usually it's a 5 to 10% stop loss. So we're going to go through this now. So what is swing trading? So basically it says what's in the name. So basically swing trading is buying a specific stock on a certain day and then waiting a few days and then selling it. So for example, you buy a stock for $20 today and then you wait 2 days later and it goes to $25 and you sell that. That is called swing trading. Benefits to this, such as growing your capital, but with this being said, there are also some negatives. One of those you could lose your capital really fast, because normally when you swing trade it's on these short-term stocks and these stocks are really volatile. So when using the strategy, you need to determine if these plays are short-term or short-term plays. You also need to plan out the best price to get the stock at. Clean energy fuels is an example. So I made a video about this when this was about $10 to $11, so around the February mark. So I think it was around here. Yeah, around here. Later it went up nearly 70% to 1979. So that's really good. So during this time I made a video about what I would be doing with the stock. So I talked about two scenarios. If you guys are in the short term, I would put a stop loss to 5 to 10%, and then that's what I did as well. And my stop loss triggered because it went down. So that's why I did. So for this particular strategy, you need to know when to get in. So when your stop loss initiated around here, you need to know when to get in. But I don't like to time the market, so I would have averaged down into 4 different strike prices. And to there, you would have cash on hand to buy the dip here and here. And then you ride it up here. Then if you put in a stop loss, you would have got out of this, and then you could have gotten again. And now I do think it's going to go up to $15 plus. So at 15 you put your stop loss, and if this drops 5 to 10%, this will kick you out. In my opinion, the sweet spot for stop loss is 7%. So personally, I would have put a 7% stop loss. So if you're still on this around the $13, ride this up to 15, then put your stop loss. Then if it drops further, it will kick you out. Then once it drops further, rinse and repeat. And that is how you do it. This only applies to short-term stocks. Strategy of rinse and repeat for you as beginners. This is not anything advanced, so feel free to learn this. If you guys can't handle the risk, don't feel the need to swing trade. Clean energy fuels and Chris could all be some short-term stocks you could use a strategy on, and possibly BNGO. We just got to time it correctly. So let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do more videos about these short-term plays. And as I said, that was my whole talk on how you can make money by swing trading using the rinse and repeat strategy, utilizing the stop loss feature. So that is basically just it. So in the following weeks I'll be talking about more and more short-term plays so you can use this strategy. So we'll be doing this on my 10k challenge as well. Aware of the risk of swing trading, you could either lose a lot or you can make a lot, so you need to take that into account. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also feel free to like this video. Some of these guys are large ones, so I'm working on my investing in finance. That's it from me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day today. See you guys next one. Happy investing.